Welcome to Linotech KE. Welcome, and today we'll be learning a shortcut on how to shut down your PC very fast. So what you can do is just go to your desktop, then you right click, then you come to new. Let me zoom in so that you can see what you're doing. Go to your desktop, then you right click and go to new, then you create a new shortcut. After creating a new shortcut, you can just type slide to shutdown. Let me zoom in so that you can see slide to shutdown. From there you can just click next to continue, then you click finish to create the shortcut. So when you double click this shortcut, the created shortcut, your PC will shut down after you slide it. So when you slide down this arrow right here, your PC will shut down. So that's how you can shut down PC using this shortcut. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Yeah, that's how it works, the shortcut we created.